Today I will show how to make no-knead wheat bread with homemade yeast. This is a daily bread that was baked in home kitchens before commercial yeast existed. For this bread, you will need wheat flour, preferably bread flour, homemade yeast, water, and salt. In the bowl, combine 300 grams or 10 ounces of homemade yeast with 200 grams or 7 ounces of water, 11 grams or 2 teaspoons of salt, and 400 grams or 14 ounces of wheat flour. Mix until all the flour is fully hydrated. The dough will look rough and uneven at this stage. Cover the bowl with the lid to retain moisture and to prevent the dough from forming a crust. Let your dough rise at room temperature for about 3 hours. After the first and second hour, with slightly wet hands, fold the dough from all sides towards the center, like an envelope. After 3 hours, prepare Banneton or a bowl or a basket lined with a cloth and lightly dusted with rice or wheat flour. Give the dough one last fold and place it into the Banneton seam side up. Make sure you close that seam. Place the Banneton into a plastic bag and loosely close it to retain moisture. Proof your dough at room temperature until it has risen at least 50%. This usually takes about 2 to 3 hours. If you are short on time, you can proof the dough in the fridge for 8 and up to 16 hours. Once the dough has proofed, preheat the oven to 235 degrees Celsius or 455 degrees Fahrenheit. When the oven is ready, turn the dough out onto parchment and place it on a baking sheet. Optionally, you can score the dough just before baking. You can keep it simple or add a decorative pattern if you like. Any clean cut will allow the bread to open during the baking. Bake for the first 15 minutes with steam. Then lower the oven temperature to 220 degrees Celsius or 425 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for another 25 to 30 minutes. Let your no-knead wheat bread cool before serving. Thank you for watching Rye Avenue, where traditional baking methods meet the modern kitchen.